EU trade surplus with the US. A declining trend in 2025. The European Union's trade surplus with the United States experienced a significant drop in the third quarter of 2025, falling to 40.8 billion euros. This marks a 13.3% decrease from the previous quarter's surplus of 47.1 billion euros and a substantial 49.7% decline from the first quarter's 81.2 billion euro surplus. The initial quarter's surge in exports to the U.S., potentially influenced by anticipated tariffs, stands in contrast to the subsequent quarter's more balanced trade dynamics. The EU's trade surplus in chemicals, machinery, and food products remained stable, while deficits in energy, raw materials, and other goods persisted. The chemicals sector's surplus, which peaked at 54.1 billion euros in the first quarter, witnessed a decline to 24.7 billion euros in the second quarter and further to 23.0 billion euros in the third quarter, possibly due to the impact of U.S. tariffs. Since the beginning of 2021, EU imports from the U.S. have mirrored those from the rest of the world until the second quarter of 2022. However, the Russia-Ukraine conflict led to a surge in EU energy imports from the U.S., causing imports from the U.S. to surpass those from other regions and maintain a higher level. This data highlights the evolving trade relationships between the EU and the U.S., with potential tariff implications and geopolitical influences shaping the dynamics. As the year progresses, further analysis will be crucial to understanding the long-term impact on trade balances and economic policies.